Here are 5 slang terms that you should know for 2021. No cap. No cap means I'm not lying or I'm not joking or for real. You are really good at English. No cap. Woke. Woke means alert or with it, and you know what's going on, especially when it comes to political things. But it can also just mean that in general, you're aware of what's going on. After the COVID-19 crisis, I think we're all woke to all the things that we take for granted, like being able to get together with our friends and hang out. Salty. Salty means irritated or angry or even bitchy. On Monday mornings, I'm pretty salty. TBH, or to be honest. TBH is an acronym or an abbreviation for to be honest. And it's what you say when you want to tell the truth. You want to be honest with someone or give your opinion. I know you really like that series on Netflix, but to be honest, I really hated it. Slay. Slay means to do something really, really well. Or it can also refer to when you wear something and it looks really good. It can mean that also. Girl, you really slayed that presentation. Good job. Want to learn more slang? Then please subscribe because I've got more coming in 2021. Bye for now.